Hello students, today we are going to study what is polynomial. But first of all, we should understand what is the meaning of this term polynomial. See, this word polynomial is consists of two terms, poly plus nomial. The first word poly means many and the second term nomial means terms. So now we are going to understand what is terms. See, terms is something which consists of variable and coefficients. So now the next question arises, what is variable and what is coefficient? We are going to understand what is variable. Variable is something whose value is unknown in the term. In any term, variable is usually denoted by the small letter of alphabets. For example, X, Y, Z, etc. So now we are going to understand our next question. What is coefficient? Is a numerical value which is multiplied by the variable. Example 3, 4, 5, etc. So now I am going to make you understand the concept of variable and coefficient with some examples. See the first example 5x. Here the variable is x and the coefficient of the variable x in this term is 5. See, whenever we are writing the coefficient, we relate it to the variable x. Maybe the variable is different in the another examples. We can't say this is the coefficient in this term. We always say coefficient of this variable in this term. Okay, see another example. Here the variable is again x and the coefficient of x is 4. Because coefficient 4 is multiplied with the variable x, and this is the definition of the coefficient. The numerical value which is multiplied with variable is coefficient. Now see another example. Here the variable is x square and the numerical value which is multiplied with the variable x square is 3. Now see another example. Here the variable is x cube and the numerical value which is multiplied with our variable x cube is 5. So you can see in this example the variable is changed. Now the variable is y and the coefficient is 3. Same with this example, the variable is y and the coefficient of variable y is 5. Again the variable is y square and the coefficient is 7. In this way we can find coefficient of any variable in any term. Before understanding the definition of polynomial, we should understand what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is an expression in which we have used algebraic operations such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. For example, 5 cross 3, 5 divided by 3, any such example can be used for defining algebraic expression. So now you are going to understand why I have explained the concept of algebraic expression. Because the polynomial is an algebraic expression which consists of variable and coefficients. See, I am writing the definition here. In polynomial, algebraic operations, addition, multiplication, subtraction are going to be used with variable and coefficient. You can see some examples here. So you can see some examples of polynomial. Here addition operation is used, here an addition operation is used, and here subtraction operation is used. You can also see some good examples of polynomial from your book. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you will like my video and it will help you.